Hello, and welcome to a welcome to a video about cats. I found this baby cat very recently. She's all bundled up in her bundle. Pay no attention to the fact that she's 20 pounds. She's just a baby cat. See? You can tell how much of it, that she is a baby. See? Yep. You can tell she's a baby by the fact that she's trying to run away. You want to shake my hand? Alright, you want to properly shake the other hand. Look, she's a kitty. Look, the camera's in her face. Oh, baby. Camera's in your face. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, Bailey. I'm sorry. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Fluffy. You're just a nice little big old kitty. Who's the nice kitty? Who's the nice kitty? Who's the nice kitty? Who's the big fluffy kitty? Who is my favorite big fluffy kitty? Bye.